Hey guys, and welcome back to another AFI DIY. I'm Maddie, and in today's video, we'll be showing you how to create your very own fabric softener. The process for this is fairly simple and will give you a very fragrant product that will be great to add diversity to your product line. Who doesn't want soft clothes? I mean, I do. So let's take a look at the recipe. Before we do anything, let's gather our materials. You will need a large mixing bowl or glass beaker, stirring utensil, a funnel or pouring pitcher, protective glasses and gloves, a container for packaging. To make about 16 ounces of product, you will need 51.7% or 8.23 ounces of deionized water, 34.3% or 5.49 ounces of hydroxyacetic acid, 70% solution, 10% or 1.6 ounces of Aquasoft 808, 1% or 0.16 ounces of preservative, 3% or 0.48 ounces of fragrance oil. The best part of any DIY is picking out the fragrance. For today's project, I took a trip over to the AFI library and I chose fresh linen. Super clean and crisp, and this is perfect for the product. Here at AFI, we have thousands of fragrant options for you to choose from, so head on over to our website and see for yourself. Now before we jump in, let's keep safety in mind by gearing up with proper protective equipment, goggles, and gloves. All right, now that we're all set, we're ready to go. Pour water into your beaker or mixing bowl and slowly add Aquasoft 808 while stirring. Once the Aquasoft 808 has fully homogenized in the water, add in the hydroxyacetic solution. Stir until fully dissolved. Follow up by adding the preservative and fragrance. Finally, transfer to your packaging using a funnel or pouring pitcher. And you're done. It's that simple. 1 ounce of this fabric softener can be used per 50 pounds of dry laundry. Check out our DIY laundry detergent pods for another awesome product that you can pair with this softener for your line. This product ended up costing us around $2 to make, and you can sell it wholesale for $4 to $5 and sell it for retail $6 to $8. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Maddie, and thank you so much for tuning in to another AFI DIY. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. See you guys next time. Bye!